Hello, I'm Sienna Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learningbuildslife. Today, we are going to talk about the study of an element from the analysis of its electronic configuration, or EC. Today, I am going to present nitrogen and phosphorus. So let us begin with nitrogen. Nitrogen, N. First atomic number. Atomic number is 7. Now, electronic configuration, or EC. EC is 25Kl, which means there are 2 electrons in the innermost K shell, and there are 5 electrons in the outermost L shell. After that, number of valence electrons is number of valence electrons, which means number of electrons in the outermost shell, which in this case is our L shell, is 5. Next, period number. Period number is 2, since there are 2 shells. After this, group number. Group number is 10 plus number of valence electrons, since number of valence electrons is more than 2. (15). 10 plus 5, 15, gives us the group number of nitrogen as 15. After that, valency. Valency is 8 minus number of valence electrons, since number of valence electrons is more than 4. 8 minus 5, 3, gives us the valency of nitrogen, 3. Now, nitrogen's identity. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, so it is a nonmetal, since 5 is more than 3. Nitrogen is a nonmetal. Finally, the last thing to do. Neon, Ne, is the nearest inert gas to nitrogen with a stable electronic configuration of 2,8. To attain the stable EC of 2,8, nitrogen has to gain 3 electrons. On gaining, it can attain this stable electronic configuration, but there will be 7 protons in the nucleus, but 10 electrons in the 2 shells altogether, which means there are 3 more electrons than protons, creating 3 negative charges on the nitrogen atom, forming an N3 minus nitride anion, which is a negatively charged atom. Now you may take a look at the derivations which we got from the EC of nitrogen. Now we will talk about phosphorus. Now, phosphorus. phosphorus, P. First atomic number. Atomic number is 15. After that, electronic configuration, or EC. EC is 285, 285 KLM, which means there are 2 electrons in the innermost K shell, 8 in the L shell, and 5 in the outermost M shell. Therefore, number of valence electrons is number of valence electrons, which means number of electrons in the outermost shell, which in this case is our M shell, is 5. Period number. Period number is 3, since there are 3 shells. Group number. Group number is 10 plus number of valence electrons. Recall the rule we used to get the group number for nitrogen. 10 plus 5 giving us 15 as the group number for phosphorus. Now, valency. Valency is 8 minus number of valence electrons. Again, recall the rule we used to get the valency of nitrogen. 8 minus 5 gives us a valency of 3. But phosphorus has an extra valency of 5 as well. In case of nitrogen too, I forgot to say, but it also had an extra valency of 5 other than 3. After that, phosphorus's identity. It also has 5 valence electrons, which means it is a nonmetal, since that is more than 3. Phosphorus is a non-metal. Finally, our last thing to do, argon, Ar, is the nearest inert gas to phosphorus with a stable electronic configuration of 288. To attain the stable electronic configuration of 288, phosphorus has to gain 3 electrons. On gaining, it gets this stable electronic configuration of 288, but on gaining, it also has 15 protons in the nucleus, but 18 electrons in the 3 shells altogether, which accounts for 3 negative charges on the phosphorus atom, forming a P3 minus phosphide anion, which is a negatively charged atom. Now you may look at the derivations we got from the EC of phosphorus. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.